Hi, second graders. So today we are going to practice drawing some insects. And then next class, we are going to choose our favorite one, and we're going to be starting the process to make prints where we will carve into foam and roll with some ink. So the first thing is you're going to take your paper horizontal the long way, and you're going to fold it in half so that you have two different parts to your paper. Then you are going to pick a bug. You'll have a few at your table. There also will be some pictures to look at. So you could either use the picture or use the actual bugs. And you are going to create an observational drawing. Now the bug is this small. We don't want our drawing this small. We want our drawing to be pretty big. So I'm gonna start with the body, and I'm gonna think about what shape the body is. What shape is this? Yeah, an oval. And I'm drawing really light. I could pick it up, but I don't want to turn it all different ways because you should just be drawing it from one view. And then I'm going to focus on each shape that makes up the body. So these are kind of like oval, like rectangles with maybe like curved edges like an oval, and maybe a semicircle. And then a lot of the antennas look like rectangles. So I'm gonna just keep building my bug. I'm gonna speed it up, but I'm drawing pretty light in case I have to erase. So I finished doing the first drawing. Remember, drawing from observation is just not doing it all at once, but focusing and breaking it down into simple geometric shapes, starting with the biggest one first, which is what I did with the body. Now I'm gonna do a butterfly, but again, you guys can pick any of the insects that I have in there. And I'm gonna start with the body, and I'm drawing it bigger than how I see it in real life. That's gonna be the hardest thing for a lot of you. I have the body, I have the abdomen of the butterfly, I have the antennas. And then when I do a butterfly, I like to do kind of each side one at a time and not just do this whole thing. I like to do this part, then I do this side, because butterflies are symmetrical. So to make sure the wings stay symmetrical, I'm carefully looking at this, but also looking back here and making sure that my wings look like they can fit on top of each other. Now I would add in all of these lines and designs to finish it off. So my drawings are finished. Make sure your name and art code, it could be on the front for this or the back, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna save these because we are going to pick our favorite one, and that is gonna be the one that we're going to draw on the white paper next week that's going to be traced onto foam and then printed. Have fun.